Oh, what's up? Alright, so first, when you find a factored form of these things on the graph, you're gonna want to find the zeros, right? So, zeros. And to do that, you're just gonna set this equal to 0, this equal, this equal. Because you gotta find what makes a 0. So it's gonna equal, one of them is gonna be 2, one of them is gonna be 3, and the other one's gonna be -1 for this, because, just whatever makes a 0. So, what those mean is that's where it's gonna go through on the graph on the x-axis. So with that, also you have to find the degree. So degree, and to find that, you just look at how many x's there are, and since there's 3 x's here, then the degree would be 3. And okay, so to start, a normal one with no everything would start from the bottom and come up. So it'd come up at -1 being the first point, so right around there. Then come back down through the x line at 2. And then back up at 3, because it goes through your zeros. Okay, on to the next. If you look, degree, since it'd double this, so it'd really be x minus 3 over here too. Which, if it has 2 of the same ones, it's gonna bounce at that point. So it'll bounce wherever that is on the graph. So the degree is also gonna be 3 here. And as you can see, there's a -2x to start, so the graph's gonna, instead of this one, see how it came up? It's gonna come down on this one, so just keep that one in mind. And then the zeros are gonna be, obviously there's gonna be a 3, because it's saying this. There should be 2, but you wouldn't put 2, just because, no point. And so, sorry, as I was saying, the zeros, right? So then you set this one equal to 0, and then you take this, so it'd be -2x equals 0. And the only thing you're gonna get out of that is just 0. So the zeros are 3 and 0, and remember, since there's 2 of these 3s, it's gonna bounce there, so it's gonna come from the top because of the negative. Wait a minute.
You got it, bud.
Wait. I did the whole thing wrong. More technical difficulties. Alright, right? So you're gonna come from the bottom, it's gonna come through 0, and then it's gonna come up to 3, but it's gonna bounce back down, right? And then just go. So that's that one. Alright, on to the next. Same thing, but we're gonna look at the degree. There's gonna be 2 x's, 2 x's, and another x. Degree?
Wow. What's that say?
5. Alright, you're gonna find the zeros. Give me a 2 here, 3 here, and 0 here. Yep, so when you come in, it's gonna be a normal. First thing it's gonna go through is 0. You come up, you go back down through 2. Oh wait, but it's gonna bounce. And then it's gonna go to 3. Oh, and it's gonna bounce again. And go. And that's how you graph those. Up top,